Hey, what's up? It's Chris from Brooker Films, and in today's video I'm going to share a few tips and tricks on how to film yourself in public. So let's get into it. Filming yourself in public can feel really intimidating to begin with, but it doesn't have to be. It's all in the mind. If you don't worry about the people that are looking at you, then you're going to be able to create some amazing videos out in public. So my first tip to you on how to overcome this fear is to just do it. The best way to overcome this is by practice. The more you do it, the more comfortable you're going to feel and the better you're going to get at talking in public. So try not to worry too much about what other people are thinking and just do it. If you're just starting out though, then suddenly pulling out your camera in the middle of a busy city centre may be extremely intimidating. So there is a way to work up to this. I started by filming myself in private. I filmed myself at home behind closed doors with nobody around to hear. It was just me and the camera, and I got used to speaking to the camera and I got comfortable with this process. Now, over time, this became more and more comfortable and I was able to film myself in front of people. So I would start filming these videos in front of friends and family, and it didn't bother me too much about what they thought. When I got used to this though, I took this outside and I started filming in quieter areas like quiet car parks or quiet back streets where there weren't too many people walking by. This cured that initial fear of filming myself in public and made that transition to filming in front of people a million times easier. So after I was filming myself in quieter spaces, I began filming myself in busier spaces. And with all of that practice and that confidence, I began filming myself in front of random members of the public, and it didn't faze me whatsoever. So my second tip is to just take it gradual. You don't have to suddenly start filming yourself in front of 100 random people in the middle of a city centre. Just begin with what you feel comfortable with and slowly progress and slowly get better and more confident. Tip number 3 is to film yourself in short bursts. Don't set up a camera on a tripod and talk to the camera for 20 minutes because this is going to be really intimidating as people are going to be watching and listening to what you're doing. Instead, film yourself for 10 to 20 seconds and then move on. By the time people realize what you're up to and what you're doing, you would have left that location already and you'll be on to filming the next section of your video. So to begin with, just try keeping your filming in short bursts. When you get more confident though, feel free to mount your camera to a tripod and set up these longer videos. So tip number 4 is to concentrate more on your audience. Your audience are the ones that are going to consume this video, so don't worry too much about the random people around you when you're filming the video. Just focus on producing the best content possible for your audience. Filming yourself in public can be really awkward to begin with, and it can be really difficult for those struggling with confidence issues. But it's a great way to grow your confidence, and speaking to the camera in public will help to improve your videos and your content in the future. If you found this video helpful at all, then please do let me know in the comment section below. And if you would like to see more videos like this one in the future, then don't forget to press the subscribe button and push that bell icon to stay updated on all future uploads. Thank you ever so much for watching. I really do truly appreciate it. I hope you're having the most incredible day today. I will see you next time. Thank you for watching.